Nissan has launched the 2025 Rogue Rock Creek Edition, designed to bring a touch of off-road adventure to daily commutes. This new variant stands out with its rugged enhancements and unique features aimed at enthusiasts who crave a blend of urban practicality and off-road capability. The Rogue Rock Creek is easily distinguishable from the standard Rogue SL, featuring a gloss black front grille, lava red bumper accents, and a robust roof rack. It rides on 17-inch satin black wheels wrapped in 235/65R17 Falken Wild Peak all-terrain tires, ensuring it can tackle a variety of terrains with ease. The exterior aesthetic is further enhanced by gloss black door mirrors and an aggressive stance, making it clear that this Rogue is built for more than just city streets. Inside, the Rock Creek Edition maintains its adventurous theme with water-repellent leatherette upholstery on the heated seats. This practical feature is complemented by lava red stitching and piano black trim on the dashboard, giving the interior a sporty yet sophisticated look. These touches not only add to the vehicle's visual appeal but also enhance durability and ease of maintenance, particularly useful for families and outdoor enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Rogue Rock Creek is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 201 horsepower and paired with a continuously variable transmission. While the powertrain might not be the most potent for extreme off-roading, it provides sufficient performance for most drivers' needs, especially with the standard all-wheel drive system. This setup ensures good traction and stability across various driving conditions, making it a reliable choice for both urban and off-road adventures. One of the standout features of the Rock Creek Edition is the off-road view integrated into the Around View monitor system. This innovative feature allows drivers to see through the hood to the ground below at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, greatly aiding in navigating challenging terrains or tight urban spots. Additionally, hill descent control is standard, providing added safety and control when descending steep slopes. For those seeking extra convenience and luxury, a premium package is available, offering a wireless charging pad, a heated steering wheel, a 4-way power passenger seat, and a motion-activated power liftgate. These features enhance the overall driving experience, making the Rogue Rock Creek a versatile and well-rounded vehicle. While the Rock Creek Edition focuses on rugged enhancements, the 2025 Rogue lineup also introduces new tech features for the higher trims. Notably, the Rogue SL and Platinum models can now be equipped with Nissan's ProPilot Assist 2.1, an advanced hands-free driving system. This system allows for hands-free driving on designated highways, providing that drivers keep their eyes on the road. This technology represents a significant step forward in driver assistance systems, enhancing safety and convenience for long-distance travel. The 2025 Nissan Rogue Rock Creek and other updated models in the Rogue lineup will be available at dealerships soon, with pricing details to be announced closer to the release date. The introduction of the Rock Creek Edition reflects Nissan's commitment to meeting the diverse needs of modern drivers, blending practicality, style, and adventure-ready features in a single package.